course, the package the whole time. In his left hand is the source where the image is taken from. In his right hand, right now he's doing a 360 on the package after the x-ray. And we can see so we were putting safety in. While we're doing this, if you guys have any questions, feel free to fill them out.
Whether it does this one for y'all ripped and
What's this thing? I saw this. Well, these pieces specifically.
So this would be to penetrate a wall or something.
Yeah.
This can also do that.
Yeah.
But it's got can put gas in there.
Oh, nice.
Penetrate a wall. Now you got gas in the house.
Cool. So do these attach to the truck? Like on the front of the truck, or?
I just take a picture, sorry.
Okay.
See that plate over there?
This plate right here? Dang. Go up the turret.
Is that what this is called?
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, look at this one.
See it.
no autonomy, no AI or anything like that. One thing it does by itself, but you can walk up to a door, identify the Android, tell them right. Oh, I know they are. I never liked our interior.
So how fast can this thing go?
About 2.5 miles. It's not made for running or
Oh.
riding. It's more for information collection. It's got about 12 cameras on it.
Okay.
IR cameras. So it's to go. Its real claim to fame is opening doors and climbing the stairs.
Okay.
Or scaring the crap out of it.
Yeah. And scaring people. That's so cool.
So like you can see on the monitor here that this feed on this camera is the one that's up above us.
Oh, okay.
Fire truck's out here, so if I hit zoom on this thing,
Wow. Yeah, you're
Dang.
right next to him.
yeah, and those fire trucks are about 800 feet from here.
Man, that's great zoom.
Yeah,
I'm still stuck on this.
that's at 22 times zoom, and it goes to 200.
Wow.
22 times?
Yeah.
Dang.
So you could like see me sitting in my living room, no problem if
I
you
think we
wanted
actually
to.
have, you actually do look very familiar.
So are all the drones you guys use DJI?
Yeah.
Okay.
guys. I'm with the Phoenix Police Department Special Assignments Unit. Maybe you call us Ruth. We're the Phoenix Police Department's full-time SWAT team. We wanted to showcase our grappler capabilities so you guys can see it live. This is just one of the many tools that we use to conduct roadway apprehensions. The primary job of the grappler is to bring a moving vehicle to a stop safely, and that is to mitigate danger to the public. This is not our primary way we stop vehicles. We have other tactics that we utilize, and that's just because we are going more after like your homicide suspects, your kidnapping suspects. There's a lot higher violence potential, and we want to get their vehicle contained. As you can see here, someone can easily get out of the car and bail. For us, we don't want to do that with a homicide suspect because I'm sure everyone here doesn't want an armed homicide suspect running through your backyard. This is a last resort for us for most circumstances.
Just our x-rays. That's what we'll look at and dissect.
Fire evolution.
One of the main things that we really like to focus on is safety or doing things as safe as possible. You see how we busted the tires right here to lower the car? That stabilizes the car to make sure that it doesn't roll either way on top of any firefighters and we can win the field.
I've been working on it.
Our heavy rescue. They're initially set up after
What's a heavy rescue?
a heavy rescue truck is
Oh,
a
gotcha.
truck that is set up for urban search and rescue. We do TRT on our local mountains like Camelback, South Mountain. We're also a hazmat team as well.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
We'll do level A entries all the way up to your normal gas leaks.
Okay.
Wow.
Excavators remodeling a house and it's a gas line.
Yeah.
Or if there's an ammonia leak at an ammonia plant or refrigeration facility, we go in with big rubber suits.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
We help mitigate the risk and help stop the problem.
32 tons?
Yeah, so we can lift
Wow.
the light rail, we can lift trains. This is specialized for us on the heavy rescues.
Wow.
Ladder companies carry these other airbags, are flat ones. They max out at 52 tons, 104 pounds.
Jeez.
So it really depends on what we need.
Yeah.
This one's awesome for when we go on everything from small automotive to the light rail. It does a lot. It lifts real high. It gives us huge
It's on a
capability.
skid plate wheels and we can slide it under.
That's a serious deal. After every fire, we send them in and get washed.
Really?
Get all the carcinogens out of them.
I'm glad to hear that for you guys. Yep.
Wow, this is a lot bigger than I'd expected.
It's massive.
It's big. You can fully
Yeah.
stand up in here.
Just don't knock over the bevies
Yeah.
or grab the phone. Wow. A lot of stuff in here. I'm glad you got fans in Phoenix and after you get off of. They don't?
Please go to the main parking lot. Station main parking lot. Please go to the main parking lot. Please go to the main parking lot.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so today, what they're going to be performing for you right now is, or what they're going to be simulating right now is that there was a window washer that had a medical emergency and they were suspended on their own rope system. We have technical rescue teams that are slated throughout the city that go and handle these specific situations. So they're going to be showing you how they essentially affect the rescue for this person and administer treatment. So what you're watching right now is called it's called a team-based pickoff. So essentially our firefighter is going to lower himself down to the stranded window washer. He's going to connect the hoses together so that they're tied on our pulley system, on our rope system, and they're going to lower themselves down to the ground.
He's connected a rope attachment to the victim. Once he had that happen, he took the victim off his rope, right? So now he's hanging on the rescuer's rope. So that's how they're going to get them down. So this is a simulation if the victim had an equipment failure, or just like we're talking about some sort of a medical emergency, that's how we're going to get them down. This evolution, like we were talking about, is called a team-based evolution. So that means that the firefighters at the top of the tower are actually controlling the descent, and he's hanging on the rescuer system, and they're tied together, and now they're just going to go down together. We have the ability to bring them back up if we need. If we like to go down, it's a much easier operation, but that's not always feasible, so we do have the ability to bring them back up. This time they're going to go all the way down. So a cantilever ledge there, so they got to negotiate that, and then they're just going to go all the way to the ground.
You want to meet Jesse?
I do. Hi. How old is Jesse?
He's 3.
He's 3?
Yeah.
May I pet him?
Yeah, absolutely. He's real friendly. You might get a lick or two.
Oh my god, I can only hope. Hi! Hi, sweetie! Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh! Aww. That's so sweet. I bet he's really good at what he does.
He's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not just saying that because he's mine. He's pretty rad.
He's pretty good.
So he's trained to find live people.
Oh, wow.
And we train for like building collapses, earthquakes.
So that's different between like a cadaver dog?
I have, on my team, I have 9 live find dogs, and I have 3 HR, human remains detection dogs.
HR
so depending on the
dogs.
mission, but our main mission is rescue, right? And so that's our main focus, and so I have more of those. I'm with Arizona Task Force 1. We're part of it's made up of Phoenix firefighters, but it's a FEMA urban search and rescue team. We have 28 of those teams around the country, and we have one here in Arizona Task Force 1. So we're part of that.
He's so precious.